power jack or DC jack replacement for Acer Aspire 5 A515. Remove the RAM cover, remove the hard drive cover, and pretty much all the screws from the bottom of the laptop. Sometimes you get busted jack, sometimes there's no power at all, and that could be because the jack itself is broken. And you lift up the bottom cover like that, and that's the jack. Disconnect the battery so you don't short circuit the laptop. And that's your DC jack. Just lift it up. By the way, before you touch this laptop, touch a middle bit so you neutralizes the static shock that you sort of creates in your hands. Remove the screws from the hinge, because it locks the DC jack in place. So once you remove those screws, simply lift it up, lift slap slightly, so that gives you access so you can easily remove the jack. You just get some tools or screwdriver, simply lift it up like that, and the cable is under this plastic thing, so get something sharp and just cut that tape, and yeah, simply lift it up. And with removing the connection from the board, just don't pull it out using the cable. Instead, do what I just did, wiggle it from side to side so it comes off. And you can buy this part on eBay. It's about $15-20. I'm gonna link these stuff on the descriptions below. If you have any more questions, simply ask, and like, subscribe, comments below. Have a good day, and cheers.